Have your customers ever had a hard time getting their one-time password or OTP via SMS? Sapaad offers you an alternative. In this video, let's learn how you can enable and send OTPs via email on Sapaad Direct. Let's start. First, log into your Sapaad account. Go to Setup, Sapaad Add-ons, then select Sapaad Direct. From here, select the Primary Settings tab and look for the Enable Email OTPs option. Check the box right beside it. Then click Save to save your changes. And you're done. Your customers can now receive OTPs via email if they're unable to receive their one-time password via SMS. If you want to know how to enable the same feature on Sapaad Online, check our video tutorial, How to Enable OTP via Email on Sapaad Online, on our Sapaad Academy channel. Want to learn more? Click on the link below to book a demo.